traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty is going to be behaving for the last day of the week, 9th of April 2021. Today we had a terrible day, but we somehow managed to pull off a 95,000 in plus. And if you want to make similar profits, please do join our waiting list on www.rltrgroup.com, or you can join our free Telegram channel for views about Bank Nifty and Nifty, and where we also keep you posted about existing offers. So let us go ahead and see what the market is going to do now over here. So market has a simple way to react over here. Now, if I go ahead and consider the entire day, there is an invisible wall at the top. Now this wall is going to sustain. So 32,300, like on my previous video, the way how we functioned, this was the place that we had to short. Okay, so 32,300 is a place, once again, until market is taking this out, I'm not going to be bullish with this particular index. Okay, it is not negating any values in terms of the technical analysis. So I want you to be very, very careful while you're trading with, reduce your quantity and start trading Bank Nifty from there. So in Bank Nifty, there is a certain level here. And if this particular trend line is broken, I want you to ignore these 200 points first till 32,500. And once 32,500 breaks, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and look for a very decent target on the downside. So this is a 100% confirmed trade that I'm going to trade below 32,550 tomorrow. So as soon as this trend line is broken, this will be a no trading zone for me. And after this no trading zone, I will go ahead and enter the position and try to make some quick bucks over here with the analysis. So this 32,403 needs to be broken, and then the market will enter a sphere of selling pressure. So on the upside, I'm not confident, but however, if there is a 15-minute candle made over here, and if it sustains it, then we can look for a target on the upside as well that can bring it back to 34,000 on the next week's expiry. So next week is a very short expiry, so please be careful and do not take overnight positions there. Now in terms of Nifty, there is always a trend line in Nifty, and Nifty respects the trend line. The very reason why it respects the trend line is that a lot of technical analysis based trades are actually taken here. Over here on Nifty Bank as well, people try to do that, but somehow they get caught. But over here, I think this is an easy way. If you look at the way how things are going, there is a support of this particular trend line that it is taking. But if this support is being broken, what I want you to do is, please note that there is a no trading zone until 14,777. After the 14,777 is broken, what you can then go for is that you can go for easy targets at the bottom, and that targets are going to take it straight away to 14,600. Okay, now on an upside, of course, like the analysis that I made yesterday, on the upside, there is a particular wall that it tried to break and sustain, but it couldn't. So it has to once again go above this, but this time we will trade only when Bank Nifty crosses 15,000. So please be bullish when Bank Nifty is above 15,000, and please be very considerate about your stop losses, reduce your quantity, and try to manage the profit. These are very difficult time for traders. I want you to know that, and it's not very easy trading, but if you still want to insist yourself in trading, then I want you to be very careful with your capital. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I hope my levels help you tomorrow. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Jai Hind. See you once again with a fascinating video tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.